Welcome back to another episode with your girl. Yes, you see my little ponytail. I'm always trying to show y'all my little ponytail, I know. But now I did a video, so I hope you saw it. Hey Candy Kings and Queens, welcome back to another episode with your girl. So today I wanted to kind of talk to you guys and drop some knowledge on you, drop a couple of jewels on you guys, because I feel like a lot of you all are not understanding or totally comprehending how this whole YouTube analytics and watch hours and watch time works. So I figured that I would kind of give you guys like a breakdown to kind of help you out and kind of give a better understanding, because I know it's so many people out here that are like at that goal, and it's not to be discouraging, okay? I'm not trying to be discouraging. I'm just trying to put a little clarification out there so everybody can kind of know that you need to work hard on this, and that, okay? So again, congratulations to everybody who got their 1K. I'm still working on my 1K. I'm not there by any means, unfortunately, not yet. But I will be. And what it is, or what, so when you know how when you get your 1K, you are like, okay, monetize me, baby, monetize me. You rain down on me, you run me my money, drop them coins, make it rain. Everybody ready, Unfortunately, no, that is not how it works. You also have to have a total of 4,000 watch hours. Again, that is 4,000 watch hours, not minutes, baby, but hours, okay? So just kind of keep an eye on some things, and watch out, and make sure you got the app downloaded, the YouTube Studio app. Make sure you got that on your phone and watch it all the time. And not only that, you can also watch it through your Creator Studio when you go into it on your computer. I just wanted to throw that out there and let you guys know, to kind of have a heads up and to kind of remember that you need to keep pushing. So while you pushing for that 1K, also push for them views, baby. Don't let those people get away with not watching your video. Ask them, say, please, can you please watch my video, at least one of the videos, And I mean, again, that's help. We can do that for each other, and that helps with your subscriber count, and it helps with your view count. So it's nothing. Let's all help each other. We can all grow together, baby. It's plenty out here for us all. But we have to work together and stop being so greedy, thinking that, oh, it's all about me and I just want my 1K. And once I get my 1K, I'm done. So you think. Not today. So again, I'm not trying to be discouraging. I'm not trying to put nobody down. I'm just letting everybody know, giving y'all a heads up. If you didn't know, now you know. Yes, it is 4,000 watch hours and not 4,000 watch minutes. So again, get your views and your subs up, okay? I hope this video was a little informative, a little helpful for you, and I hope you have a better understanding. And if not, hey, I don't know what to say, but no. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if so, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't dislike my video just because I'm just putting the facts out there and giving you a better understanding, okay? Go dislike YouTube, okay? Don't dislike me. I'm only putting it out there, telling you like it is, breaking it down, okay? No, thank you, Candy Babes. I appreciate it. I love you guys, and I hope to see you back soon. So keep working, work hard, and you can make it happen. It's definitely possible. It can all be attained, and it can all be achieved, okay? So just keep working hard and putting those videos out. The more, the better. That gives people to look at a whole lot. Oh, yeah. And if you don't have a playlist, go ahead and create you a playlist, because that will be very helpful to a lot of people to view your videos off of. It puts it in like a organized way, or in like a little file folder, and it separates each and every one of your videos so it looks a little more classy or unique. I got this tip from one of the pros. He told me, like, hey, this is what you need to do, and why not share it with you guys? Thank you.